I've always had a wanderer's soul. From 2 Mediterranean deployments in the Navy to chasing bass across state lines, the horizon has always been calling. For 40 years, the goal was simple: a retirement built on exploration and seeing this country on my own terms. For the last 2 years, I paid my dues in the back of a pickup truck. It was an adventure, but let's be honest, the horizontal shuffle just to get dressed every morning is a young man's game. It was time to finally level up. I traded the truck bed for a build where I can finally stand up straight. A true mobile HQ for the next chapter. Whether it's the tournament grind or a hike with Tina and Russell, we've got the room we need to actually live the dream. But before the next big trip, this rig needs a name. I've narrowed it down to 5. The Frankin van, the Buckeye Bus, the Odyssey, the High Command, or the Waypoint. Drop a comment and vote for your favorite. You guys are calling the shots on this one.
Vote for your favorite.